Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start security assessments with Rapid7 detailed guide step by step clearly. To start security assessments with Rapid7, first ensure you have an active Rapid7 account. Log into your Rapid7 account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Insight Platform dashboard. Select the assessment option from the main menu. Decide on the type of assessment you want to conduct, such as vulnerability or penetration testing. Click on Create New Assessment to initiate the process. Provide a name and description for your assessment to keep track of its purpose. Select the target scope for the assessment. This may include IP addresses, domains, or assets you wish to evaluate. Configure any specific settings or options that pertain to your assessment type. Set the preferred schedule for when the assessment should be conducted. If applicable, choose the assessment template that best matches your requirements. Review the settings and ensure all details are accurate before proceeding. Click on the Start Assessment button to launch the process. Monitor the assessment progress on the dashboard as it runs. Once completed, navigate to the Reports section to review results. Analyze the findings, which may include vulnerabilities or security gaps. Utilize the remediation guidance provided in the report to address any issues discovered. Finally, consider scheduling follow-up assessments to ensure ongoing security compliance. These steps will help you effectively start and manage security assessments using Rapid7. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.